Hey there, green thumbs and foodies. Thanks for tuning back into our channel, where we love sharing our passion for fresh, homegrown goodness. Today, we're diving into the world of microgreens, a trendy and nutritious superfood that's easy to grow right at home. Microgreens are the crème de la crème of greens, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They're not just good for you, but also incredibly versatile in your kitchen. From adding a dash of color to your salads to perking up your soups, microgreens can elevate any dish. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. The first step is choosing the right seeds. From peppery radishes to spicy mustard greens, and even sunny sunflower sprouts, there's a variety to suit every palate. Once you've selected your seeds, it's time to pick out a high-quality soil mix and lighting that will help your microgreens thrive. And voila! You've got yourself an endless supply of nutrient-packed greens all year round. To wrap up, remember that microgreens are more than just health boosters. They're a fun experiment in growing your own food. So why not give it a shot? Start small by growing just one variety and then gradually work your way up to mixing different types for an explosion of flavors and textures on your plate. Thanks for joining us today. If you love this video and want more tips on growing organic produce at home, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun content. Until next time, keep growing.